Happy New Year! My name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. In 2022, I will continue to share more information in series on crystals and healing stones, the benefits, real or fake, DIY tutorials, and design ideas. Or you can leave me a comment below and tell me what you would like to know. I'll do my best for you. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my first business card when I started Tobo online business in 2012. Yeah, it's been 10 years and I'm still keeping some old business cards in my studio. So it's a transparent business card. Yeah, very special. And with two scan codes here. One is Tobo store and I already closed it many years ago, and my WeChat account. Here's the English translation: inspiration from life, my life. And the store name, Pure. The fashion abbreviation is PDF, and easy name to remember. And here's the Chinese name, 純潔時尚, and original handmade jewelry. And my Tobo ID, my phone number, and my WeChat. This idea was from my first design of this bracelet. Garnet with a sterling silver lucky fish charm and a rose bead. A really unique item. And then I use Photoshop to crop the garnet beads from the photo, and then it's like a movement of making this bracelet. And then I added the lotus flower here and the lotus seed pod. Why did I do that? Because you see, here's a lotus. And in China, lotus represents purity. It's really beautiful and unique, right? Yeah, and you can try other fish charms like this one. It has no marcasite beads on the fish and a smaller size with marcasite and 2 garnet eyes. If you're looking for more silver parts, please go to my website gemandsilver.com. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.